Hey guys, welcome to RC and Legos, and today we are upgrading the speakers in BoomBox V2. Here's what they are, some Dayton audios. There you go. And these are some nice speakers, look at them. Beautiful. Anyways, these should sound a lot better than what these are, because the speakers that are in it are TV speakers, $10 TV speakers. Get a pair for $10. So they're cheap, they work good, they get really loud, which is a plus, but they are lacking in the mid department. It's basically all treble and that's about it. So when you got these deep subs on here and really high trebles, you're kind of getting this U shape in your frequency curve. So these should help level that out. As you can see, they look very nice. They're made out of a polycone. So today we are going to do a sound test with the stock setup, the stock speakers, and then we're gonna install the new Dayton Audio ones, and then we are going to test the sound of these. So, should sound pretty good. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, so there it is, the sound test of BoomBox V2. Yes, I know, it's been long awaited, but we finally got it out there, and we got some new speakers in here. Now, by listening over the audio, honestly, the $10 T speakers sound better than these. These are pretty high treble. It's very clean, but I think that really adds even more to that frequency curve that I was talking about before, about it being a U-shape, because there's not very much mids in these speakers. So that's kind of sad, but I will say it is a lot cleaner and it does sound more professional and less muddy. But you also saw that we compared it against the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, and honestly, that thing sounds amazing. If it had a little bit more sub bass, honestly, it would be like the perfect boombox. But I will say, Hexy Bass's design with these subs are amazing. The box is just incredible at how low it can get, and it really does pack a punch. How do you guys think the boombox sounds? I know we don't have the best recording equipment to record the sound of this, but the songs will be in the description so you can listen to them and kind of compare the original, what it's supposed to sound like, to what we recorded. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!